大家好，我係盧蘇。咁今集咧就係延續翻上一集咧，點解我哋嚟到呢間北角意大利餐廳咧食嘢咧食到成肚火啊！咁 long story short， 咁我哋當晚咧就有幾個 families 嘅，咁我哋就各自嗌咗唔同嘅扒餐。咁估唔到嘅係咧，佢上其中2款扒嘅時候咧，就放咗喺同一個鐵板上邊，但係佢又冇同我哋講到。後尾同個 waitress 講咧，話仲有一塊扒未到咧，佢都要問翻呢位經理咧先知道啊。跟住佢就好牢嘈咁樣同我哋講，佢放低嘅時候咧有同我哋講嘅，仲話翻我哋聽唔到咧係我哋嘅問題。最癲嘅係咧，我哋由頭到尾咧都冇話要 share 啲嘢食嘅，放2個 main course 喺同一個碟上面。你話真係咪好癲啊？唔知你哋有冇見過咧？
And only you knew, and right now you're still blaming us. That is our fault. So,
would you even give this your fault, sir?
That's
I was explaining, sir.
That's exactly what you did.
The steak that I put down. That's only what I'm saying, sir.
Would you like
I'm not blaming, sir.
Would you like us to apologize?
No, sir. I'm not trying to get an apology.
Well, I'm not apologizing to you for
I'm
sure.
not getting an apology from you.
I don't need your explanation because it's very, very clear right now. None of us knew the 2 steaks were on the same plate.
Okay,
but
you mentioned it, sir.
I don't care if you mentioned. None of us knew, right?
Oh,
like, none of us
you know,
knew.
the thing is, it's all about communication. Like, yeah.
咁最後其實我想講咧，呢間嘅性價比咧係 OK 嘅，除咗啲頭盤之外，同埋係唯獨是呢個經理個服務態度有啲差嘅啫，其他都還可以嘅。Anyway， 我哋下集見，拜拜。